Okay, this is a how-to video on how to carry your forks and your bucket together. Easiest way to do this on your Bobcat skid steers, I'll show you here in a second, but works with most skid steers, but especially with the Bobcats because it got this upper plate. But handiest way to carry these things around is right here, so hope you enjoy. Okay, what we got here is there's a top rail on this top rail right there. Kind of see it right there. Hook your pins, or excuse me, the tops of your arms in those, and you could pick the forks right up and take them right out, and then same way when you set them back in. I'll go ahead and demonstrate here. Tough to do. I'm going to do it one-handed here. Take and hook your pins. Hook right into the top of those and just come straight up. Takes your forks right out. Then you can set your forks off to the side. Like I said, I'm running this one-handed, trying to hold the camera. And same thing when you come back. Hope this helps you out there if you're struggling trying to carry some forks around. Go ahead and try this and carry your forks and bucket at the same time. Thanks for watching, and remember, please subscribe.